General salute has been given by the parade commander.
Sri Krishna Kumar Singh. Sri Krishna Kumar is an officer of Indian Administrative Service, and before posting Ikay kumnazarapa nga sige Chief Guest Sri Krishna Kumar IAS Deputy Commissioner Jiribamna भारत के बच्चों होंगे
Now, the parade commander has taken permission to commence today's grand parade, which will march past through the saluting base. And the salute will be taken by the Deputy Commissioner, the Chief Guest of today's function.
Red! Nicola! Jan! red! लातूनों की कुछ कलम मन से गुजरेगा फासला 20 कदम लातूनों में आगे red! बगल सच red! तीन दाएं चलेगा दाएं मुड़
Lasigi Parade Commander Sri Junam Zoiras FPS now. Kaya kung nazara pa CBS tagi Mars Pass sa nabagi ayaba loko na ito. Hauzi mak Mars Pass sa nabagi ito na Same sorry. Masih matunggal lang bas na combined CRPF team kung suba ni pudipan suba di sama ko jakay duk suba dong laba combined team niya sibo Command Public ba Sub-Inspector Bersati Lal. Now this contingent is followed by 7th Indian Reserve Battalion commanded by Subedar Silas Taleta. 7th India Reserve Battalion Cebu, Ilagliba, Tungilagliba, Dunglaba, Contingent Civil Police Jiribam, Commander Subedar Silas Taleta. Assistant Sub-Inspector Rocky Gangmai.
Uniform personnels are followed by Jury College Boys Contingent commanded by Yumnam Karnajit Singh. Having given the salute to the respected chief guests and honored the national flag, approaching towards the saluting base is the contingent of Jury College Girls, Contingent Commander Oinam Kuman Nganbi and play card holder Lauriam Dipasri. Jiri College Girls Contingent is followed by Jiribam Higher Secondary Girls Contingent led by Thokchum Anjali Devi.
Jiribam Higher Secondary School Girls Contingent Cebu, Tungilaglipa Contingent, Jiribam Higher Secondary School Boys Contingent, Commander Sinam Manitoiba Singh.
Now, the tableau of Forest Department, commanded by Range Forest Officer N. Biraj Singh. Parade Commander preparing the contingents for the speech.
Rostro salam. Salame. Stop. Parade. Maju. Set. Parade. Visram. विरोध परेड को विसर्जन करने का आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है विरोध
Parade Commander has taken the permission to disperse the parade and prepare the ground for the cultural events and show that is to follow the grand parade of today's celebration. Today's cultural event.
परेड बगल सेट परेड तीनों दिन ताने चलेगा ताने मत परेड बाएं साइड दाएं साइड
Parade Commander now. Nasagi Chief Guest Take Parade Sini Potabu Ayaba Loki Bulu now.